Marco, ¿cómo está everybody? This is Scott Expat in the Philippines. What's the matter with you? Hey? What's the matter with you? What's the matter? What's you look? What's the matter? What's the cute? What's the cute doing? What's the cute doing? Hey? You excited? You happy? Oh, happy dog. Oh, rubby tummy. Rubby tummy. Daddy rubby tummy. Rubby tummy. Loves, lots of loves for Snowy this morning. Hey. I don't know. What am I going to do with you, hey? Spoiled, Snowy. Yes, you are. Yes, we have baby birds. Mama bird is out hunting, and baby birds are in there somewhere. They've got their noses just up a little bit, but they're not doing much. Very quiet. I think mother bird's built this nest up here so the crows don't attack it, and they're out of sight. What happens when they leave, I don't know. Am I going to pull it down? I hope so, because I don't want to pull the nest down. If I can take it out in one piece, it'd be okay, and I'll put it somewhere else. What do you want? You want attention this morning, do you? Hey, you want some attention? Snowy, you want some attention? Hey, you want some attention? Hello, beautiful. Hello, beautiful girl. Here you go. You got some daddy giving you attention. Get that camera out of my face or I'll break it. Happy dog. Right, got the tap on, cleaned up after Snowy. I'll run the water in those drums for a while, especially that plant, which looks like it's dying, but it's got some leaves on it. I will cut back the top off, probably about the level, maybe a little bit lower, on that tree that looks dead. It's still got leaves on it, but I think it's just a bit of, oh, Daddy's forgot to water me, so I'll let that water flow in that plant, and then I'll go along and I'll just keep putting them in each one of these plants, as well as that one there, and that one. But I noticed the one out the front, the leaves tend to dry a little bit. The big one on the corner near the the letterbox, sorry. I was going to say clothesline then. Silly me. Clothesline's at the back. But the leaves tend to go a light grey, so I will top that one up with water, so I'll just go along. Mum's sister gave her that one there, and it's grown a hell of a lot since we put it in. I might have to turn it around and put it close to the fence a bit more. So this Snowy doesn't knock it over. And I moved the azalea out of there because that one on the fence behind it is taking over a little bit, so I'm waiting for the leaves, the branches to come out a little bit more so I can stick it in the trellis with a bit of gentle care and let the trellis take over. That's pretty well much like these Aussie mates right in front of me, which I will send a packet to Will and Chick when I get a chance. But it's a creeper, and it's probably best in an area where, you know, if you want to cover a ugly spot, it's good for that. So that's these yellow plants, that's what they call Aussie mates. So we'll get that sorted out. Anyway guys, this has been Scott Expat in the Philippines. You Snowy. We'll catch you later. Have a great day, enjoy, relax and have fun. We'll be back later sometime. Bye for now. Sticking his head out, guys. Just sticking his head out a little bit. Mama bird will be there soon. There's two of them in the nest. They're hungry. Must be a bit warm up there for them, which is good in one way. Mama knows in hate factor, I'd say, with baby birds. She's very protective. I can only see two in there. There might be three, but there's only two. I'm going to have to move Snowy out of here, I think, by the end of the week, because they look like they could be nearly, you know, getting ready to, they're only babies at the moment, but when they start to fly, I don't want Snowy gonna eat them. So cute. There's another bird. Father bird, I think that might be. It's okay, baby birds. Mama bird will be back soon. She's getting food for you. There's three up there. He's sticking his neck out. The other two are in behind him. It's a pretty fairly big nest for them, for blackbirds. As I said, when she was building it, fell all over the floor down the bottom near the hose, just below them. And Father Blackbird came and gave her a hand to build the nest. He must have been out drinking at the time. And she's probably giving him a mouthful. They're your responsibility, you must feed them, come on. We must get our nest up. Sun's going in and out. Mother bird seems to feed them and then quickly go again. She's got three. Daddy birds around somewhere. Anyway guys, this has been Scott Expat in the Philippines. We'll catch you later. Have a great day, enjoy and have fun. Bye for now. Bye, baby.